What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, that was a cool little raffle, man. You guys wasn't playing. You guys really want these Harleys, and I'm going to try to bring them to you as fast as I can, man. The new Harley we just got, the 2009 with the loud pipes on that thing, man, is down at Dre's, already getting bust down. You guys seen the pic. You guys seen what it's looking like already. He's taking off the engine pieces and all that as we speak, as well as that thing is getting bars and everything. We're going to be picking the winner here pretty soon, either today or tomorrow on live, either or at 6 p.m. live either day. I haven't decided which day we want to go with yet, but the winner will be chosen in just a few. Just wanted to let you guys know that it is complete and it is done. So if you guys are looking for any information on the raffle, look at the community post on my YouTube channel right now for every update regarding the raffle, man. So stay tuned for that. So if you guys did enter, man, let me just give you a rundown one more time of exactly what you're getting, man. You're getting the '09 Harley Davidson Street Glide. You're getting that thing a fresh color, whatever you choose. You're getting bars on that thing. You're getting a 21-inch and a wraparound, and you're getting your motor pieces painted. We were gonna do black, but if you want something different, man, you gotta let us know. We'll give you that call. We should be knowing what's up real soon, man. So if you guys are entered, man, stay tuned for that. We will be going live here shortly to pick the winner. If you guys aren't familiar how these things go, make sure you tune into the recent videos of the raffles and everything. Stay updated on the community post on my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I wanted to just give y'all a quick update on that, but we are here, man, getting it going. So without further ado, I have to catch you guys at raffle time, man. We got the red bike in the back. We gotta head to the city pretty soon. Not really sure if I'm gonna go today or tomorrow, but gotta go head out there and get some stuff done. Meanwhile, quick update on the Road Glide. Still orange. Got that red and black seat on there. We are still waiting for our wheels. They should actually be done this week, man. So really can't wait to get that thing in here now. I should go get a freaking wraparound right now today. Now that I think about it, I actually think I'm gonna do that. Go get a wraparound, and then take that fender off, take it to Antonio so he can match that. By the time the wheel is done, we'll have everything here for that. But ooh, this red is hitting, man. I can't wait to slide on this thing. Haven't really had a chance to slide, but you know, we've been busy. Can't wait though. This thing will be going to one of you guys once I get my hands on a CVO or something like that. But just stay tuned for that. So we'll keep it going, man. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too.